Alright guys, welcome back. I hope you enjoy your spring break. I did, but now that we're back to school, again, virtually. So let's get going. First of all, I'm pretty sure you forget about all those unit conversion stuff, so I'm going to review with you for this lesson and tomorrow's lesson. So here we go. First of all, the length units. Again, it is really up to you which method you want to do, but I personally strongly recommend the method I use, because once the conversion becomes complicated, I know that a lot of you will lose track. Okay, so let's get going. So my method was this, remember it? Again, I always want to convert that by multiplying a sort of 1 over here. I know that the 1 can be obtained by converting meter to centimeter. That's exactly what I want. I know that if I have 100 centimeters and 1 meter, that's going to give me a 1 over here. So multiplied by this guy over here is basically doing nothing, right? But the good thing about that is I can cancel out my meters, so I get this centimeters left. That's exactly what I want. So basically that means I have 3.5 multiplied by 100 centimeters. I'm going to get 350 centimeters. And that's it for number 1. Okay, can we go faster? Yes, of course. Let's see how fast we can go. Okay, ready? 4.7 kilometers. I want to change that to centimeters. This one is a little bit harder because it requires 2 steps in this case. First of all, I need to think about converting km to meters. And then I'll do another layer. I want to also convert from meter to centimeters. Okay, eventually I tell myself that these are all going to cancel out. That's what I know. Okay, so 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000. Right, so this is a sort of 1 for me. On the other hand, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Right? So in this case, once all the units cancel out, I'll only have centimeters left. That's exactly what I want. Okay, it's 4.7 times 1 followed by 5 zeros. That's going to give me 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's it. Okay, keep going. 94 with 50 centimeters. I'm going to change that to kilometers. Again, first of all, it requires 2 steps over here. I want to go from centimeters to meter first. Okay, 100 centimeters is 1 meter. And then I'll go from meter to kilometers. 1,000 meters will give me 1 kilometers. I can cancel, and cancel. I got my km. That's exactly what I want. That tells me that I need to divide it by 1 followed by 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? So I basically just cross out all the 5 over here. In this case, it's pretty easy. I got 94 kilometers at the end. Okay? Last one. 346 followed by 20 millimeters. I have to go through a few steps over here, but there's a little shortcut over here because I know I can go straight from millimeters to meters. Of course, for the other examples, if you know how to go through the shortcut, you can do so as well. You don't necessarily have to go through 2 steps. But so I go from millimeters to meters first, and I go from meters to kilometers, and that's exactly what I want. I know that 1 meter will give me 1,000 millimeters. 1,000 meters will exchange 1 kilometers, and happy can cross, and cross. Okay, I got the kilometers left. That's exactly what I want. In this case, that basically means I need to divide it by 1 followed by 6 zeros. Okay, so let's do that carefully. Okay, so we started from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So that means eventually my decimal place will be over here, which means I got 0.0346. Pretty cool. Let's move on to area. Alright, remember area is a little bit different to length, so let's get going. We got 9.4 kilometers squared. Again, I want to convert that to meters squared. So again, I want to write my kilometer square over here and meter square on the top. Okay, I know 1 kilometer square is going to give me 1 with 3 zeros originally, but I need to double the amount of that just because I'm having an area, a square, basically. So if I used to have 3 zeros, I need to double that amount of 0. That gives me 6 zeros for now. Okay, I hope you remember that part. Okay, so that means I have to multiply by 1 followed by 6 zeros. Let's count that together. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There you go. Number 2, 453 meter square multiplied by, I need to get to my centimeter square. I got my meter square, centimeter square ready. Right, so 1 meter square is how many centimeters square? Don't tell me 100. This is 100, and I multiplied the amount of 0 by 2. Okay, it used to be 2 zeros. Double that, that's 4 zeros now. Okay, I hope you realize that part again. Again, I cancel the units down like this. I get to my centimeter square. That means I need to multiply 453 by 10,000. Right, so 1 followed by 4 zeros. So you have 453 followed by 4 zeros. And that's it. Number 3, we got 12.4 centimeters square. Again, I want to go to millimeter square. Okay, I got my centimeter square on the bottom. I know that 1 centimeter square will exchange, originally it was 10, but I doubled the 0. Originally I had 1, I have 2 now. Okay, I cancel the unit. So that means I multiply by 100. Okay, this is 1240. Next one, we have 23000 km square. Km square, I want to go to meter square. Okay, 1 km square is, again, 1, 0, 0, 0, and I double that. Okay, and then I cancel the kilometer square. In this case, that basically means I need to write a lot of zeros. Okay, this question is just to make sure that you really understand what exactly is going on. sometimes for some sort of question, you probably will think that you need to divide, but in this case, you actually need to multiply. So that means you get even more zeros, right? These 6 zeros are from the multiplication of 1 million. So that's area, and let's go on to harder questions. All right, the last 3 questions of the day. We got these ones. Let's start with number 5. 293 with hundreds. Centimeters square multiplied by, in this case, I want to change to meters square. So I remember meter squares, centimeter square. I know 1 meter square is going to give me 100 at the beginning, but I doubled that amount 0 because I'm talking about area. And then my centimeter square and centimeter square cancel out. That basically means I need to divide it by 4 zeros, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, down to here, that gives me 2.93. Okay, keep going. 293, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 5 zeros. M square. I want to go out to km square. M square. Okay, so 1 km square is going to exchange 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, cancel out the meter square. That means I need to divide by 1 followed by 6 zeros. Cancel out 6 zeros like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, down here, so 29.3. I hope we're getting more and more comfortable with these kind of questions over here. Let's do the last one. Okay, well, we got a lot of zeros over here. First of all, make sure you get a number of zeros right. We got 10 zeros, actually. Okay, cm square, we want to exchange that to kilometer square. Okay, I'm not very confident on the unit conversion in this case because it requires more steps. So I'm going to go from centimeter square to meter square first. And then I'm going to go from meter square to kilometer square. Okay, I know that 1 meter square is going to exchange double amount of zeros over here, 100, 2 more zeros. Okay, this one is 1 kilometer square, 1,000, and double amount of 0. Okay, so now that I'm good, the happiest time is to cross centimeter square and centimeter square, meter square and meter square. Everything out, I got my km square left. That basically means what? I need to cancel out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 zeros over here. Well, isn't that exactly what we have over here? That basically means we cancel everything out. We're going to have 89 left. And that is also it for today. I have a shorter lesson for today and tomorrow. I'll give you 2 worksheets attached should be on the right side of the screen on your Power School. And please work on them. And once we're ready, we will move on to the new topic. I'll see you guys in the next lesson. Peace.